Good day to all employee. My name is Juby Andaluz. I'm 41 years old from Candelaria, Quezon, Philippines. I'm a married and blessed two boy and children, aged 19 and 13 years old. My educational attachment is high school graduate. My skill, cooking, cleaning, and take care of my children. I work domestic helper in Kuwait. 1 year and 5 months only because my employer transferred for another country. I have served 2 couples and 1 baby. My main duties are take care of baby all around household like washing and ironing clothes, cooking, cleaning the house. The second time of being domestic helper 2 years in Saudi Arabia. I have served 5 members, 2 couples, 1 old woman, 2 children, 9 years old and 10 years old children. My main duties, cooking, take care of children, and take care of old woman, washing clothes, cleaning the house, and ironing the clothes, and gardening. My third employee in Saudi Arabia, 2 years, 4 members. My main duties is take care of 2 children, and ironing and washing clothes, cooking, cleaning the house, and cleaning the car. I want to work in Hong Kong for the future of my son, and I want to help my family. Mom and sir, please choose me as your helper. I will improve at work and honest in everything. I will do my best to serve your family and treat your family as my own. Thank you, and God bless. See you soon, Hong Kong.